Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to make Little Caesars leftover pizza from the night before in your toaster oven. Your toaster ovens. First, you're gonna want to pick yourself out some nice pieces of pizza here. Go to your oven. Throw them suckers in there. Shut that, turn that on. Turn that on. 450 degrees. Yeah. How long is that for? 40 minutes. 450 degrees. You're going to want to turn your light on. Shut that door. Oh, shut this. That pizza, pop that pizza right in your refrigerator. On a nice glass of Chicken Express sweet tea, so slamming that down. Taquitos! Yum, 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 yum. You're gonna wanna, what? Just switch it. You're gonna have to find a cup. It's gonna be in your pantry. Turn that light on. Look for a nice cup. Look for a nice cup. Looking for a nice cup. Looking for a nice cup. Oh, here's a good cup. Leave a comment down below if you got what things y'all want me to do. But I'm pouring some tea here. What? Just pour all of it in there. Ah! Shut that. Then drink your tea. "40 minutes, that'll be done." Leave a like and comment if you liked this my headphone mic was on.